This morning we have a guest here all the way from St. Elizabeth who wrote to us saying that he's an aspiring broadcaster. His name is Finley, and at 13 years old he's already set his sights on taking somebody's place in the near future. Spends a lot of time working on his dream. Take a look at this.
Lead story tonight takes us to northern St. Elizabeth, where residents in Balaclava say they have been left dry for days at a time. The National Water Commission has pointed to unclear water in the system after heavy rains, as that may be the main cause of the disruption. Justin has this story. Several community members gathered this morning near the Balaclava Square, voicing concerns about poor infrastructure and lack of attention from authorities.
We can't get water for days and the road them mash up bad. It rough Panway, man. It rough.
Councillor Franklin Morgan says plans are underway to begin road patching within 2 weeks and improve the town's water supply. Still, residents say before and want action.
Did you write that too? Yes, sir.
Well, a little bit of it.
Then we never. They must miss. Oh, I was no. Right, no. Say good morning.
Good morning.
This morning. Left St. Elizabeth at 3 o'clock this morning. We asked him, just saying that tired. Justin said, no, I'm just joyful and happy, which is a great attitude to have. Do you want this gentleman's job?
No, I don't want to say I want. I want to learn from the best, but I don't want to take his job.
Okay.
Okay.
But when you become the best, you're going to have to take his job.
If he offers me the job, I'll certainly take it.
When I was your age, I think the first thing I wanted to be was just a cowboy. Then I wanted to be a pilot. Then I wanted to be a fireman. Then I wanted to be... When did you know that you think this is what you want to do?
It was during the COVID-19 pandemic when I was watching TV with my mother. And like I said, it was Javon Keys reporting. And I told mommy I wanted to be just like that person reporting. Because I want to one day be doing the business day and tell people what they need to hear.
Yeah. Did you have any other... what's the word I want now? What's
that interest?
Yeah, any other interest that, that you saw that you wanted to do?
Yeah, if I didn't do journalism, I would do something in the aviation industry by chance. Mm-hmm. Because I do love planes as much as I do love reporting.
Mm-hmm.
So
I would say go aviation because it pays you more.
There's a lot of things, but the one thing I love is like, even though you're reporting a student, you're not seeing everybody you're talking to, it feels like you're letting your body go and talking to people that you make happy. Mm-hmm. So you're just giving them the story that they need and how they should feel. Mm-hmm. So if somebody every morning and that makes them happy and want to watch the show morning by morning.
Yeah. I'm sure you would have checked out what you need to do. So doctors have to do science and all kind of thing. What do you think you need to do if you want to be a broadcaster in school? What kind of subjects you think and which one you think you need to kind of ace?
I think I need English and math, which is very compulsory. Also social studies, because you need to know a little bit more about your culture, especially for the type of show you do. You also need like certain things, as in you might be a travel journalist, you might travel around the world, you might need how to speak different languages, how to speak to different people in certain ways.
Have you figured that out yet? Because you mentioned Javon, who doesn't do what we do. We are much different there. We are broadcasters alike. And then the other thing is, well, Sim was, I have never been a journalist, which is different from a broadcaster. So I don't write stories and like how you just wrote a little story there. So what exactly you want to do? Do you want to be a journalist who writes stories and read news, or you want to do a show like what we do?
I would probably want to do a show like what you do, because you then again you make people happy. So I would want to do something like you guys do.
Okay, so impact people's lives. So Javon is your Example in this business? Who do you look up to in the business?
There are 3 people, but there's 2 people here that I really look up to, which is Mr. Devil and Javon Keys.
And
Thank you
Javon.
very much.
So Neville is right there. Let me call Keys.
And who else?
And in Canada, he's a journalist, Dwight Drummond,
Where is he from?
Canada. He was originally
Right, he's
born here.
isn't he like, does he have Jamaican heritage?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think I met him one time when I was doing some work at the CBC.
So, you already said that if this doesn't work, so
Aye.
is there a full plan B here or no?
Yeah, there's a full plan B.
And the plan B is what? Pilot?
Yeah.
What's the plan B? Keys? I have a young man here. We're actually live on TV. I'm so sorry. Put on some clothes if you don't have on any, on your voice. There's a young man here. His name is Justin. He's 13 years old, and he's an aspiring broadcaster. I'm going to put you on speaker. Hold on. And he says that he actually wanted to jump into broadcasting because he saw you on television during the COVID-19 pandemic.
Wow.
Yeah, so you're kind of like an idol for him.
Yeah, I remember one time.
Wait, he's telling you. Go ahead.
Mr. Javon Keys, you remember when I posted something on TikTok and I pinged you? I was so happy the next morning when I saw he liked it. And he said, keep going for your dreams. I was so happy.
I actually remember that post vaguely, but thank you so much. You've literally made my day at 6:45 a.m. I mean, all the very best to you.
Yeah, right.
Thank you.
All right, Javon, go back to sleep now.
I'm not going to sleep in my people and work. All right, sir. Thank you. Thanks, Keys.
Bye-bye. Take care, everyone.
Fantastic.
Incredible.
It's important for us to have, role models in the business because then you know what you
So
want to
jump
be like.
back to the full plan B now. So you have a full plan B. So the plan A is broadcaster, plan B, pilot. There's a plan C?
No, not yet.
Not yet.
In the planning, though.
In the plan?
In the planning.
So you have an idea what the plan C might be?
Yeah. Teaching.
Okay.
But not like regular teaching as in math, social studies and stuff.
What you want to teach?
I would want to teach drama or something like this.
So drama, actually, folks, there are a lot of folks in the business now who did drama. Even over the other subjects that people might think, it's drama makes you very good for this business because a lot of the times, even if you're not in the mood to present, you have to be able to turn it on, and it's good to have a dramatic background for that.
Favorite-
What are you doing in school now? Jeez. What subjects are you doing now?
So far, since I've just finished first form, I'm not sure about what I'm going to get. But what I've done last term, I've gotten math, English, agricultural science, integrated science as well. I also get personal development, which I think is very important too.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And we got a lot of subjects. It's full.
So favorite subject?
My favorite subject is social studies.
Okay.
Okay.
Wow. Monronian, yes? Oh, you sing too? You want
Yeah.
all together sing? What you sing? So you can be a singing broadcaster?
Oh, no, thank you.
No.
No, thank you.
Okay.
I'm okay. I'm perfectly fine.
I'm
Okay.
very, very impressed with you.
Thank you.
Continue to, as Javon said, follow your dream. And anything you want to achieve.
Same thing Mommy said.
Mommy's right. Mommy's always
can
right.
achieve.
Mommies are always right.
Well, some that is right. That is right. To the
Sometimes.
True.
True, no? Great
Said
to meet
mommy,
you.
said mommy. That's
Great
what
to
mommy
meet you.
says. Yes.
God bless you, and I love you.
Would you like to throw to our break?
Sure.
Okay, so well,
Just read what you see. Just read what you see.
Okay.
No, that one, right there.
Ready?
Yeah.
yes.
That was an inspiring broadcaster, Justin Finley. Coming up, we head to the U.S. for our diaspora check-in.
All right.
Well, and you doing the interview.
Oh, wow. Okay, sure.
We'll be right back, everybody.
So come.